Hey y'all, it's Peryn, and for today's video I'm going to be doing another makeup tutorial. It's going to involve my three favorite colors: purple, pink, and blue. Yeah, let's just get right into the video. I already have my face and my brows on, so I'm going to be using my Bright Matte Beauty Bay palette, and the first shade I'm going to be going in with is Sweet Tooth, and it's right here. I'm just putting it in my crease, and I'm just using my M433 brush. It's gonna take some time to build up, so be patient. Now I'm going to go in with Adventure, and I'm just going to be putting it in my crease. I'm going to be using the same motions, which is windshield wiping motions. I just realized I pointed at the wrong shade. I'm using Island, this light purple. I'm going to go in with Adventure. Now I'm going to go back in with the pink so that it doesn't get lost. Going back in with Adventure, I'm going to blend that back out. Now I'm going to be using Purple Power, and this is like the last purple shade that I'm going to be using today for my crease. And it's just going to darken it up. Now I'm going to use this turquoise shade, and I'm going to be putting it on my lid. pencil, and I'm just going to put it on my waterline. I kind of got mascara on my eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna go back in with previous shades that I used to cover that back up, so don't be like me. Hope y'all like this purple, pink, and turquoise look. It was pretty easy, so if I can do it, you can do it. The time that I'm recording this video, we're still in the middle of an eviction, and it's what, day 6. Anywho, if you guys enjoyed this look, then please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.